This is the Decline Yoo-hoo, which is owl, but it's now remarketed or rebranded as the Falcon. Let's do a fast downwind pass, shall we? It's tricky to stall turn without a rudder. Fair lick of speed on it. I reckon it would take off the ground, you know. Should we try it? Certainly might on this grass, it's so short. Go, go, go! Yes, just. I was starting to worry there because the wires are in the grass. Right, let's bring her in, shall we? Guys, did you enjoy that? We'll have a look, see what sort of video we've got.